So these little suction cup hooks work absolutely fantastic. We have them in our shower for the last 9 or 10 months in black. They have not moved. So yeah, they're really good. I'm going to show you here in a second how they work. Let you know they do come in other colors. If you don't have if you have a non-porous surface or a surface that's not smooth, they do come with these discs. So I'm going to show you real quick how these work. Um, my tiles are good, but you would just peel off this part here, right? So you just peel this off, right? Stick that to the non-porous surface, and then you would stick this to the disc. Okay, but real quick, let's show you how it works, and that it's pretty sturdy, and then show you how easy it is to remove. So I'm just gonna stick you here on one of the tiles around my bathtub as a demo. Okay, got you a little closer. So you wanna make sure your tile's clean. You wanna make sure this is a little bit loose, so you can see there's a little bit of a gap here. And you just stick it against the tile, press, and then screw this in, and you'll feel it kind of pull, right? And that is not going anywhere, right? But then you just loosen it back up, and it pops right off. So really easy. Say you're not, don't like where you put it, or you want to clean something, it's easy to take on and off. And then you say, like, oh, okay, I want to move it over here, and you just put it back on. Again, that's not going anywhere. So you can hang a loofah, washcloth, whatever from it. So I hope that this has helped.